to get that shot off over Furkan. Randall getting to operate where he wants.
Tyrese downhill. Mama. Tyrese Maxey. They've gotten a quick 8 points, as you saw from that graphic. Less than a minute. Tyrese, the pull-up J. His jump shot just continues to look better and better as the season goes on.
Good swing.
Maxey for 3. Yes, sir! 1 point game, 8 minutes to go in this third quarter. 7 foot, 300 pounders. What do you got, Joel? Tyrese. The roof about to come off this place. For him to grab that second triple-double as a Sixer. Maxey driving, floating, finishing.
He's more of a passer. He doesn't finish that way. He's a finisher when he goes left.
Uh-oh, that was the Harden step back. Especially after James said that MSG felt like he was playing in Philly because Sixers fans showed up on Sunday.